Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add friends on Monopoly Go. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Monopoly Go, and once you're here, you on the bottom right corner of the screen you'll be seeing your friends icon. All you gotta do is simply tap on that icon. And once you tap on that icon here, you will be getting this friends and family option. Now under it you'll be getting these three options, that is contacts, Facebook, and simply click on this invite option. And once you tap on this invite here, you'll be getting the option to select the invite option. Once again tap on that invite, and once you tap on invite here, you'll be getting your invite link. Now all you gotta do is just simply copy that link and then head over and then send it to your friend that you want to invite in the Monopoly Go, and then paste it right in the message box and then send it to your friend. Now once that friend taps in the invite link that you have sent to them, they will automatically be added as friends in your Monopoly Go. And all you gotta do now is you can simply play with your friend, or you can use the sort down to your friend as well, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.